and click. Well, yeah, I'm happy with these results. Not upset with them at all. Hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Sorry, I'm just kind of out here bullshitting around, not really no aim or anything like that on my videos. I just come out here, have fun, and shoot the shit with y'all. Really, I mean, I'm out here talking to my camera and kind of feel silly sometimes, but whatever. I'm still having fun. Hopefully y'all are too. Yep, that's some ARX 38 Special been sitting around, not doing anything but sitting in water. It all ran. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Hope y'all are having a great one. Sorry if I'm yelling in y'all's TV. I just realized I got a lot closer to the camera. So have a great one, y'all.